In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to upload and optimize your YouTube videos with your mobile phone step by step. If you want your channel to be discovered by YouTube and your content or videos be recommended to viewers on YouTube, even if you are a small channel, this video is for you. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So to upload and optimize your YouTube videos with your mobile phone, first thing you do is go to the YouTube app, and then you now click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, you can select content or videos that you have already edited on your mobile phone. So once you click and select, let me say is this one, the next thing I'll just click on next right here, and then because I want to upload it, the only thing I'm going to do, I'll just click on next first. Okay, but I will just make sure that is on unlisted. This visibility, make sure it's not on public, so that you can take your time to optimize your YouTube video. Don't put it in public. First of all, put your videos on unlisted, then you click on next, and then always select is not meant for kids, because if you put that it is meant for kids, YouTube will not allow people to drop comments under your video. All right, so I'll now click upload right here. So once I click on upload, I'm going to wait for some time for it to upload. So once your video is uploaded, but you should know that means it's not yet visible for people to see, then you now take your time to optimize your YouTube video. So how do you do that? You just come and click on your profile picture, and you now click on your video. So once you click on your videos, you will see that video that has uploaded, and if it has not uploaded, you will see how many percent. So you just wait. So my own now, because it's already uploaded, I'll just click on these three dotted lines, and then I'll click on edit video. So when I click on edit video, the first thing I will start editing is the title, because YouTube is a search engine, and a lot of people that they come to search for something specific. So what is my title all about? Then the second is the description. The description, most especially the first two lines, is very important, because the moment you upload your video and optimize it, when anybody come to search something related to your content, the algorithm and the YouTube itself, the AI will take in split second know what your video is all about, because you have mentioned it in the video itself, you have mentioned it in the title, you have put it on the thumbnail, you have mentioned it in the pin message, you have also tagged that particular keyword that you want to be known for. Your video will be recommended. So, and the next thing is select audience, because you now see click is not meant for kids, in case you see that it is not checked again, and then you add it to playlist and all that. So but what I do currently with AI, a lot of things are becoming much more easier. So like this video now that you are watching right now, what I did, even though I know exactly what I want to talk about, I just went to ChatGPT, right? If you go to ChatGPT, is one thing that helped me. It's not that you are going to do everything like 100%, but it's going to give you idea. Look at, like right now, before I filmed this video, what I did for ChatGPT, I just tell ChatGPT I need step-by-step detailed video on how to upload and optimize in bracket SEO on mobile, and I need with description, with tag and pin. So ChatGPT will give you possible title for the video. So what I'll just do now, I'll practically show you how I use the ChatGPT to get one or two things, but I ensure my videos is not 100% from AI, but the AI used to help me to optimize my video. So right here, the ChatGPT give me title, but I don't only 100% go with ChatGPT. If you don't know how to get catchy title for your YouTube video aside from ChatGPT, I made a detailed video right here. You can watch it, and I'll add it to the playlist in the description of this video and in the comment section. So let's say I want to go with what ChatGPT has given me. I'll just come here and double tap, and then copy it, and then go to where I edit my video. I click on edit. I'll just click and press. I've come with a title, but please, you need to search to get a catchy title. Watch that video, is going to help you. I taught it with your mobile phone. The next thing is the description. So ChatGPT has given me description. So before I copy this description, I must have checked one or two things that is in line with everything that I've said and is in line with the research that I've done. So I will just scroll down and see the description that ChatGPT has given me. I'm going to double tap and then click and copy it as well. I'll just go here, come to my YouTube description, and I don't use it 100%, but I use a lot of things that I get from ChatGPT. As you can see right now, ChatGPT is saying in the description, learn how to upload and fully optimize your YouTube videos using your mobile phone step by step. In this video, I'll talk YouTube, blah blah blah, and everything. So all this is not that I'm expecting that you are watching, you are going to read everything, but I'm doing it for the algorithm, for YouTube to know that I'm creating this type of content, and so that when someone is searching for something in relation with what I have created, my videos should be recommended. So now that I have added the description, I'll just click this arrow back, and please, time to time, you can keep saving it so that you don't lose everything, because sometimes when you go, before you come back, you see that everything has wiped away, most especially if you don't have a large storage on your phone. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll click playlist. So this playlist, you can click on plus like this. A playlist is where it organizes your videos. So you need to create multiple playlists for your YouTube videos, so that whenever anybody comes to your YouTube channel, and if the person want to learn about live streaming, you have gathered all the video about live streaming, or about purple life, or about lifestyle, or about entrepreneurship, or about crypto, so that whenever anybody click, it will make the person want to watch the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And the way the algorithm works on YouTube is that the longer any people stay on your content or on your channel, the higher YouTube is going to recommend your content to people, because every social media, every website need traffic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it to a playlist. So I have multiple playlists about this type of content, like YouTube growth strategies. I have content creation for YouTube channel. I can just say content creation step by step. Like I add it to 3 playlists, and I'll click on done. Right, then the next thing I'm going to do is tags. So right here, you need to tag what you want to be known for. And if you come back, when you are doing your research or on ChatGPT, like you can see right here, ChatGPT even give me all the tags, everything 100% for free. So I'll just double tap and copy it. But what I do is, if I copy it, I don't go and paste it like that, because you need the tags one by one. So I'll just press here and paste it within the ChatGPT. So what I'll now do, I will just start cutting it one by one. When I YouTube video 2025, I'll just cut it. I'll come back here and click on tag and paste it. Once I paste it, I'll say return. I'll go back again, pick the next one. I'll do that one by one. Cut it. Anyone I pick, I cut. I don't just copy, so that I will not duplicate the tag. So I'll come here and paste it. So that's how I'm going to do. I'll click on return. That's how I'm going to tag as many keywords that I want to be known for that content or for my channel. So once I am done with the tags, then the next thing I'm going to do is to add the thumbnail. So the thumbnail, if you don't know how to create thumbnail, I've done this video showing you practically how to create YouTube thumbnail for your videos with your mobile phone. So but before I add the thumbnail, let me save this video first. I need to save the content so that I will not lose anything. So I want to also show you what thumbnail is all about. So thumbnail, like right now, as you can see this person's video, the thumbnail is the picture that is showing that the catchy, because for you to is one thing for you to create beautiful content, very informative content, but let's say if I search for a particular thing now, YouTube is going to recommend, based on the SEO, the optimization, will recommend like 20 or 30 videos for me. So the thumbnail that is more catchy is the one I'm going to go for. So it's important you know the kind of catchy thumbnail you should create. So now that we've known what thumbnail is all about, I'll come back and click on the 3 line again and click on edit. Remember, all this that I'm doing, I am yet to put the video to go public. Okay, so now that I've known, so I'll just click right here to add my thumbnail. So you click, it will now bring you click on custom thumbnail. So once you click on custom thumbnail, it will bring you to all the thumbnail that, or the photos on your phone. Okay, so let's say I'll just click this one now, because this is one of the thumbnail that we created in our previous videos that I use for practical. So I'll just click on select, and then I'll click on save. Okay, that means the thumbnail is in line with everything that I'm doing. If I click right here again, I'll click on the edit so that I'll be able to see everything that I've done. That means forget about this, ignore this thumbnail that I create. I'm going to redo all those things. So the thumbnail should speak about the title. The title also should be included in the description. So this major thing right now is ensure that everything that you want to be known for from your channel and the content should be optimized and be included in your title, in your thumbnail, in your tag, okay, in your description, and even in your pin comments. Because if you are optimizing your videos, you should also encourage your viewers and have a CTA, meaning call to action. So you have to get a catchy call to action. Like if you check right here now on ChatGPT has also given me a call to action, like want to grow your YouTube channel with your phone, blah blah blah, all that. All I'll do, I'll copy, and then once that video go live, I'm going to pin it. Okay, you will notice that I'm sweating. NEPA took lights so I'm just using my small light. So yes, so that is how to optimize your videos on YouTube. And then also everything that you have mentioned in your video, if you mention that you have a video or you have a playlist in the description, also you add. And again, another thing you need to also add in the description of your video is you should ensure that you add your social media handles, and also encourage people to subscribe in your description. Is very, very helpful. So once you are okay with all that you have added, the next thing is to now check the visibility of your video. So the visibility that you put on listed before, okay, you can now click on public if you want it to go live that moment. If you don't want it, you can also schedule it. By scheduling it, you can just click right here and select the date you want, or even next year, even in the next 10 years, you can schedule it ahead of time. Once you click, you say okay, and from there you can also select the time. Is it AM or PM? You select it, whatever you want. You click on okay, and then you click here to go out, and then you save. So by this now, that means if I save this video, that means this video will be going live on the 15th of August 2025. You can always change this. You can always come back anytime you want, and you can just change it from this schedule. You click right here, you can put it members only, unlisted. You can even private the video if you don't want it to go live, or you click on public. But and then once you do that, you now click on save. But because I did not make changes, that is why. So if I add like this now, because I've changed something, you will see that it will allow me to save. So the next thing, I'll now click on save. Okay, and voila, I have successfully uploaded and optimized my YouTube video. So this monetization, if your channel is monetized, you will be able to turn on your monetization. You can click to turn on your monetization. And if your channel is not monetized, you have to wait until it is monetized. So my own, I put it automatic. So all my videos, as I'm uploading it, automatically the monetization will turn on. But if I don't want, I will now go and turn it off. And again, if you want more features about videos like this, let me know in the comment section, where I'm going to go in depth. So that is how to optimize your YouTube videos with your mobile phone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, let me know in the comment section. If you are a small YouTuber, let me know in the comment section so that we can gather and connect. This video is inspired by our 30 days YouTube growth challenge, where we've learned how to create our YouTube channel, how to get ideas, how to carve a niche, how to film videos with our mobile phone, how to edit videos with our mobile phone. Now we are learning how to upload and optimize our videos with mobile phone. From now, we are going to, the next video is going to be how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 4,000 watch hours. We are also going to learn how you can start earning with YouTube, even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers and all that. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And hope to see you in my next video. Bye.